Hey Glamours, what's up and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you guys are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Crystal and thank you guys so much for clicking on my video and showing me some love and support. I really do appreciate it. If you have not done so already, make sure to hit that big red subscribe button down below so you guys can join the family. And also make sure to follow my makeup journey on my social media accounts, which I will list right now. So make sure to stop everything you're doing and go follow me. It's a pretty lit time over there too. Alright guys, so for this video I'm going to be giving you guys all of my tips and tricks and my holy grail products that I use to create my all day foundation routine. And I mean all day. Your face is going to look snatched and slayed from morning to night. So if you want to know all about my products and my holy grail go-tos, make sure to keep on watching. Alright guys, so the first product that I'm going to go in with is my First Aid Beauty Coconut Water Cream. And this I actually saw on Skincare by Hiram. So he's pretty amazing. He knows his stuff. And I started using this and it has not let me down. So moisturizing is the most important thing that you want to do in your foundation routine. So make sure before you do anything and apply any makeup onto your skin, you moisturize. So get this one. It's really, really amazing. So I already moisturized my skin. Now the next thing that I do apply on my skin is the Tatcha Liquid Silk Canvas. Now this is amazing. It literally gives you that airbrush smooth application. It makes your face look like a Barbie. So I literally take a small size amount, literally like on my fingertip, like that much, and I apply it all over my face. Now Tatcha's a bit pricey. So if you want something that's a little less than Tatcha, you can also use this Milk Hydro, this one right here. And as you can see, it's literally like halfway, almost gone. That's how much I use it. But this one gives you like that tacky finish after you apply it, so you know that the foundation is literally gonna last all day. So after, I go in with the Benefit Professional. Now this is literally one of the OG primers that everyone uses. It literally works magic. So this professional fills all of your pores, definitely aids in giving you that airbrush look. So you want to try this. This one I literally take like a dime size amount, not even, and I apply it to where I feel like I have the most pores, or where I get oily, or you know, just where I feel like sometimes my makeup doesn't apply the way that I want it to apply. So make sure you try that. Okay, so the next thing that I go into, and it's something that is actually new to me, it is the Olay Henriksen Banana Bright Eye Cream, and it looks like this. So it definitely brightens up that under eye before you apply that concealer and that foundation, and it makes it look immaculate, like as smooth as can be. So I literally just take a small amount and I dab that literally right under. It smells really good too. It smells kind of like caramel or something. I don't know, but it smells good. Alright guys, so now that my face is moisturized and prepped, I'm going to go in with my foundation. Now the foundation that I use is literally my holy grail. I love it to the core. And I'm sure that you've seen many people use this, but this is literally like my day one foundation. So it is the Too Faced Born This Way foundation, and I am in the color Warm Nude. Now this foundation, it's a medium to full coverage, but it's definitely buildable. So if you like a more full coverage look, you can also use it. But I kind of like it because it gives you that natural finish. It's not too cakey, it's not too heavy. It definitely gives the right amount of coverage without literally like overbearing my skin. I literally just take some and I start dabbing it onto my face. I'm gonna apply my concealer and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I'm back and my concealer is on and applied, and it's literally looking seamless. Like I can tell the difference from when I apply the Banana Bright Eye Cream to when I don't. Like this is literally my holy grail. I promise you, you will not be disappointed. Setting powder that I use is the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter banana powder. Now this powder has literally like the smoothest powder. Like the finish is just amazing. It's not gonna let you down, I promise you. It literally applies like a dream and it blends amazingly. It doesn't give you like those cakey little, you know, bumps that sometimes you get here at the end when you apply the powder. Like it literally does not do any of that. It applies like a dream. So I do use this under my eyes a lot. This is literally my holy grail, and if I do not use this one, I use the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Powder under eye and face. So for this routine today, I'm gonna go in with actually both of them, this one under my eye and this one for the rest of my face. But sometimes I do either or. I put this one under my eye and this one on my face, or I just do either one for the full face and under eye. I literally do this in all of my applications. I put it here. I take my beauty blender, I dip it in like this, and I get like my hands, for instance, dab off the excess on my hand, and I put it under my eye. Alright guys, so now that my under eye is completely set, I'm going to set the rest of my face. Now before I go in with powder, I'm gonna go in with the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish, and I am in the color 2 medium. Now the Charlotte Tilbury, it looks like this. It's literally a all face kinds of finishing powder, and it literally is amazing. Even the packaging is amazing. Like it feels like money. I'm gonna use this and I'm gonna take some of it, literally like just dab a few times, and I'm just going to lay it on my face here, and this is literally gonna help in having that airbrush all day finish. So you literally just have to take some. Don't even try to cake up your face. Like that's not the look we're going for. We're literally going for a natural all day finish. So literally just take some and just apply. Now I'm gonna go in with my powder. Now this powder, literally I fell in love with it because it's so finely grained, just like the Fenty Beauty. So I feel like it doesn't cake. It literally still leaves me with that natural finish. And it's just like an amazing, like magical powder. So in this one, it's called Magic Powder Under Eye, and I think it's, oh, this one is 2 Fair. So the number is 2 and the color is fair. So I literally dab it into, oh, that was a lot. I literally dab it into here, take my beauty blender, and like this one, because it's such a heavier powder, I have to dab off the excess, kind of like the Fenty Beauty. So that way it leaves me with minimal. But I'm literally gonna just lightly dab, like lightly. Alright guys, so my powder is on, and I'm gonna go in with my big E41 brush from Morphe. This is literally the best powder brush on the planet. It is so big, like it literally just dabs away anything. So I'm going to swipe away any excess that I might have on my face, just so that way I can make sure I'm getting that flawless, not cakey finish. Alright guys, so that is how I make my face literally last all day. I'm going to apply some bronzer that I have, and also a liquid lip with some blush, and I will be right back so you guys can see my finished look. Alright guys, so I am back, and here is the final look. Off camera, all I did was put on some lashes, mascara, blush, bronzer, and a lip, but the foundation remained the same. I did not add anything, so you guys got the full review of how I apply my all day foundation routine. So I hope you guys liked it. If you did enjoy yourself, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure to give me your thoughts in the comment section. Subscribe to my channel, and also hit that post notification bell so you guys are notified every time I upload a brand new video. Thank you so much for watching, and I love you guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.